Hi fellow travelers, and it's me, your travel angel. Now in this video, we're gonna visit the San Francisco Botanical Garden. I'll give you some travel tips and tricks as well as things you need to know before you visit this beautiful garden. This is your San Francisco Botanical Garden travel guide. So make sure you keep watching. And welcome back to Angel's Video Diary. So the San Francisco Botanical Garden is located within the Golden Gate Park. This stunning garden showcases a diverse collection of plants from across the globe. 8,000 different kinds of plants to be exact. Now, the San Francisco Botanical Garden is open daily from 7:30 in the morning, and they close at different times depending on the season. So make sure to check out their website to see changes in their schedule. The link is going to be in the description box below. Now, admission to the garden is $13 per person, but we were actually able to go in for free. So you should definitely take advantage of the garden's free admission, which is every day from 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. Admission is also free every second Thursday of the month. And their holiday-free days are on Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's Day. Unfortunately, your furry friends or your pets are not allowed in the garden. The Botanical Garden is wheelchair accessible, and some paths are paved as well. Don't forget to check out their website for more accessibility information. And I recommend that you time your visit so you can check out other sections of the garden. And of course, to make the most of your visit here in San Francisco. And I also suggest that you wear comfortable shoes when visiting the Botanical Garden. You'll be walking on different paths and terrains, and I also recommend that you dress in layers because San Francisco's weather can be unpredictable. So you should bring a jacket even on a sunny day, especially if you're visiting around May, which was the time when we visited San Francisco. So the weather was very unpredictable. It was chilly in the morning, and then it gets warm in the afternoon, and then it gets chilly and cold by nighttime. Now, if you guys are new here and you haven't subscribed, make sure to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I would post new content. And then you should also grab a map at the entrance. And that's to help you navigate and explore the garden. The Botanical Garden has a 90-minute walking tour. Now, these tours are free and is included with the price of admission. But they also offer private tours for groups of 8 or more. But that's going to be $30 per person for non-members. And you should also take advantage of all the countless photo opportunities here. Make sure you bring your camera or smartphone to capture every beautiful things you see around here. The garden is also a perfect spot to relax and meditate, and there are plenty of quiet areas where you can do that. You should definitely find these places, especially if you're looking for a calm and peaceful experience. Or you can simply enjoy the magnificent scenery of the place. So there are designated areas where the garden allows picnicking. You can definitely bring food here to eat and enjoy it with all the natural beauty around you. And don't forget to respect the environment during your visit here at the garden, such as staying on designated paths to protect the plants and ecosystems. And don't pick the plants or flowers as well. I hope I was able to inspire you to visit the San Francisco Botanical Garden. If you got value off this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I would post new content. If you got questions, maybe you have suggestions, make sure to add them in the comment box below and show some love by hitting the like and share button. And you can stay current on my travels. You can follow me on social media. That's at Angel's Video Diary. And my TikTok is at I am Angel Alvaro. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.